Hi friends, welcome to my culinary expressions. Today's recipe is a healthy and nutrient-packed one. It is the spring onion pancake or Hare Pyaaz ka chilla. Spring onion pancakes are an ideal filling breakfast or snack. You know what? Winter is a season when lots of green and leafy vegetables are around, and that's why I chose this recipe. These pancakes are soft and supple. You can make it from one kind of flour or a mix of flours. Well, today I have used a mix of flours and stuck to mostly greens, though you can just about use anything like tomatoes, carrots, etc. Before we proceed to make these spring onion pancakes, let me remind those who are visiting this channel for the first time to hit the subscription button right away and press the bell icon to receive notifications for these expressions. And all my existing friends, do continue to show your support and zeal by your likes, shares and comments. Now, let's get started. Here's a look at the ingredients. Half cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of fine semolina that is suji, 1/4 cup of chickpea flour that is besan, half cup or you could even make it 1 cup of green onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of green garlic chopped, 1/8 cup of coriander leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger and green chilies paste, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder that is haldi, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, oil and water to make the batter. Firstly, in a mixing bowl, we shall take the whole wheat flour and to this add the besan that is chickpea flour and the semolina. To this add the ginger chili paste. Now add the spices that is salt, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Then add the chopped green onions, green garlic and coriander leaves. Lastly, add a teaspoon of oil and combine everything very well. Then add the curd and again mix it. When the curd is uniformly mixed, add water and prepare a batter. You must be careful to add the water gradually, a little at a time. The consistency should not be very thin nor thick. This chilla goes very well with green coriander mint chutney or even that instant raw turmeric pickle. You can check out the videos on this channel, or you can even have it with raita. Yeah, now the consistency of the batter seems fine. It is neither very thick nor thin. You could also add spices according to your choice. Now let us cover it and set it aside for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I felt that the batter has thickened, so I added a little bit of water. To make the pancakes or the chilla, heat a skillet or tawa over medium flame. Just grease it and clean the surface of the skillet. Once the tawa is warm enough, pour 1 to 2 ladles of the chilla batter and let it cook on medium flame. Spread out the batter very nicely and evenly. Work on low to medium flame and drizzle a few drops of oil on its sides. After some time, flip the chilla and let it cook on the other side. One needs to be patient and remember, always work on low to medium flame. Once the chilla is cooked on both the sides, you can remove it onto a plate and then repeat the same procedure for the remaining batter. And here our spring onion pancakes are ready. Make them and enjoy them warm. So soft and supple they look. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this expression. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Very soon I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.